काँग्रेस पक्षान भाजपाचेर 64 पानांचे आरोपपत्र दाखल केलां. हे आरोपपत्र कमी जावपा बदला वाडत गेलां तरी पक्षान हे आरोपपत्र ल्हान करपाचो यत्न केला. तशेंच भाजपान जी आश्वासनां दिल्लीं ती पाळिल्लीं ना असोय आरोप काँग्रेस प्रदेशाध्यक्ष लुइजीन फलेरो हांणी केला. आरडेस्को खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
We had prepared initially 65-page charge sheet. Thereafter, we appointed a committee under the chairmanship of Yatish Naik, and we asked them to give their suggestions. This was in the month of February. We were hoping to put up the charge sheet in the month of March. We are in the month of October. The charge sheet, instead of becoming less, was becoming more and more. It became more than nearly 100 pages. Thereafter, we discussed and we said, if you go with the charge sheet of 100 pages, nobody will be reading it. They may just keep it in the house, and it will be very costly also. You can't afford it. So we thought of preparing it with nice caricatures and try to reduce it as less as possible. So not only the issue of minority, there are many other more pressing issues like the STs and so many other issues. So what we thought, when we go with this charge sheet, we will hit back at them. Therefore, this first page itself is giving you 75% of the idea which is inside, if you see the page. Then we have shown you inside the U-turns, the two faces, what they had promised in their charge sheet and what they have done now. But this government will not do anything towards the minority. They will not do anything towards the workman. They will not do anything towards the educated unemployed. They will not do anything against the mining affected people. They will not do anything against the tenants, against mooncars. They are anti-farmers. They are anti-goans. They are only pro certain industrialists, that's all. So don't expect anything. 5 years has passed. They started now at the fag end of the term to sell our rivers also. So leave it at the best to the Congress party, who I'm sure with the help, support and blessings of the people of Goa will come back to power.